Give me a bite.
Mine!
Hey, when you just talk. This is water-based, so I guess I could just go and share our little cover.
Ouchie. Ah! I said ouchie.
Oh, look, you're all flaky.
I don't buy them.
Oh, give me some. Give me a bite.
Mine!
You look fucked up too. Look at the lines on your... So I'm not really drunk. I'm more tired. Russell's tired and drunk. I'm hungry. Look how cute you look chewing. Oh my god. So, this was Halloween 2018. But there is next weekend as well, so we'll probably be doing something then too. Drag Nation finale. We'll have to figure out something during the week. I don't know. So now, we need to try and get this shit off us. I'm gonna get some food, because he's annoying me because he's got food.
Pull it off.
What is it? The under bit. Nice. There you go.
Excellent.
I'm gonna get some food. Russell's gonna take his face off. I'm gonna try to take all this Prozac off my face. Oh my lord. Food, 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 food.
Can somebody undo my wrist thing? Are you filming?
Uh-huh. Alright. Just because the angle is just right.
Yeah, I know, it's really bad. Fuck, I miss.
We should get some more food.
I don't know.
I'm hungry.
This is gonna be... Ooh. Okay. Well, that's one wig ruined. I just have to put jewels on my forehead whenever I use it. Hey, waving to me, you're just talking to me.
Oh,
Do you like my new boobies? I got the big boobies. Thank you, House of Priscilla. Shout out to Archie Arsenic with my red hair, orange hair. I look like you. And this sort of-
demonic
and the,
face.
and the gothy look. It's cool though. I love it.
I'm not saying that you're gothy or demonic. But it's Halloween!
She's a fire breather, so. Now let's take the lashes off. Oh. Ow, 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 ow. That's quite a... 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Oh my god!
That's quite a few lashes. I at least pull out like... Wow, that's even more.
That's a lot.
10 every time I take my lashes off. Oh, 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 oh. You can hear... That's what that noise is. Like... Oh, fuck. Oh my god, that was a lot! Okay, maybe I put too much glue on. Holy shit. Oh my god. Like,
That's fucking hot. That's a whole eyebrow. That's a whole eyelash.
shit. There's not normally that many. Oh my god.
Ouchie. Ouchie. Ah! I said ouchie. Where's that Archie?
Look at your eyeballs! Like, it's like almost Donald Trumpy. Because it's white underneath the eye there.
Got a problem.
What?
Got a problem.
Got a problem? What?
Everyone said I had a good question.
What? What about
Everyone said I had a good question.
You had a very good costume. I think even yours is quite minimal and easy. You still look better than most of the people there.
I know.
There was the best dress, but we were too late and we didn't win, so...
Some naked person probably won.
No, someone said it was, I can't remember what it was. Something.
Naked person. Who wore nothing. Nah.
So did you have a good night, BunGirl?
It's okay.
We had fun getting ready together, like old times.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then we got there and I hate people. People are shit. And they're like,
Oh, fuck. Oh, who? Why
Oh,
did
you're so good. Your costume's so good, mate. Fuck off.
Don't talk to me. I don't like you.
I'm like, oh, in my personal space. Don't spill your drink on me.
Oh my god, there's so much snot in all those ones. It's like just inside them all.
What you mean snot?
There was like, it's so juicy. It's just been dripping, but accumulating in between each jewel. Like it sort of works. Are you okay, Russell? Doesn't sound good. That's almost a vomit.
Yeah, it was almost a vomit.
Was almost a vomit. Okay. And
Baby wipes are fucking shit. They get no fucking makeup off whatsoever.
product placement. Simple.
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 Well, like makeup,
Wipes.
like fucking
Remove
when
waterproof
you use the
mascara.
makeup wipe, when you use
Don't use
like
baby
an
wipes.
actual real
Use simple wipes.
makeup
Priceline.
wipe, it fucking comes off so easily.
Oh god. It's like you can finally scratch your itch your eyeball. Oh. These lipsticks are amazing. Bella Pierre. Oh, it's a brand from America, but I got these for free at Drag World. And they don't freaking go anywhere. Look, even on my palette. It doesn't fucking come off. Even with alcohol, it hardly moves, and I have to scrape it off. So, Bella Pierre, get some of those. Fuck. Oh, fucking hell, look at this. It's like, well, that's a look too, I guess. Still Halloween. This is water-based, so I guess I can just go in the shower and it'll come off. I'm just making it worse. Oh my god, I'm just spreading it everywhere. Russell, come and finish the video. No, come here. Let's finish the video like we normally do. And then I can go and have a shower. Come on. Please. Come on, Annie. That's the end.
My name's BunGirl.
My name's Esther.
I'm together we are BunGirl
BunGirl
and
and Esther.
Fuck off.
That was like Chucky laugh from Rugrats. Okay, that's the end. That's the end. Okay, goodbye. Love you.
Sparkling shoes. You look like shit. It's out here. Leave that bottle in there.
Is that it? You just want to fuck me in the bottle. Right in your fucking face.
Don't. Yeah, deep.
Take his eye out. Do it.
Ah!
No, don't break the computer. Oh, put a hole in the wall. Oh, it bounced everywhere.
Why did you you break?
Nothing.
Fucking asshole.
I need a refill to the top. You disgusting fucking.
I'm a little hungry now.
So, you haven't
Have
had
you had a whole bottle of
You haven't had any champagne, have you?
No.
Oh shit, sorry.
Yeah, but I've got a beret on.
Your butt is too big. What the fuck is
But I've got a beret on, so it's
Guys,
okay.
I've got a beret on.
So it's really tight on my head. And so I tend to not get drunk fast when I have tight things on my head.
Fuck off.
No, I'm serious.
But it's like the biggest bullshit thing you've ever said, I think, Russell. But I don't get drunk.
I love this
I don't have a
champagne.
tight thing on.
You ready? Is it going?
Is it going?
I don't know.
It's going.
Come in, come in, come in. Come closer.
Na 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 na.